Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can install or download AnyDex in Windows 10 operating system and how you can use it. First we need to go for a browser and I'm using Google. Double click on it and here you need to type download AnyDex. Hit enter and you will see there are a lot of websites for AnyDex. You need to go for a first website, which is this anydex.com. Click on it and you will see the option like this. If you are using Mac, Android or other version, you can download, but I am using Windows, so Windows I have selected. Click on download and you will see here this is AnyDex is downloading. What you need to do is you need to double click on it and run the setup of AnyDex. Run it and now you can see I have downloaded it. What you need to do is you need to tell these numbers to the person who wants to access your laptop or PC, and for accessing someone's PC you need to know the number of his or her system like this. So thanks for watching our channel. Hope this small video will help you. Consider like, subscribe and share. Thank you.